This is an experiment on static electricity. For this you will need some pieces of paper, a balloon, and some wool or hair. Let's see if this balloon can attract these pieces of paper after rubbing on wool or hair. This is static electricity. The balloon has negative charge and the pieces of paper have positive charge. Opposite charges attract. Oh, it doesn't pop. Is it made out of something else? No, it's just a regular balloon. The secret ingredient to not making it pop is tape. You just need to stick a piece of tape on the balloon. The tape protects the balloon from popping.